I take on the challenge of incorporating chia seeds into my daily routine for a whole week to see how they boost my sexual health. When it comes to sexual health, nutrition plays a crucial role. And today, I want to talk to you about a powerful ingredient that can make all the difference: chia seeds. These tiny seeds have been a staple in many cultures for centuries, and for good reason. They're packed with nutrients that can help support our overall well-being, and as we're about to dive into, our sexual health as well. When it comes to sexual health issues, many of us are facing similar challenges. Low libido, performance anxiety, and erectile dysfunction are just a few examples of the problems that can affect our confidence and relationships. And while there are many medications and treatments available, many of us are looking for more natural solutions. We want to feel empowered, not reliant on pills or prescriptions. We want to know that our bodies are capable of functioning at their best, without any external help. And that's where nutrition comes in. One of the main reasons we struggle with our sexual health is because our diets are lacking in essential nutrients. We're not giving our bodies the fuel they need to function properly. And as a result, we're suffering. We're tired, we're stressed, and we're not performing at our best. And it's not just about the food we eat, it's about the nutrients we're getting from that food. Are we getting enough omega-3s? Are we getting enough antioxidants? Are we giving our bodies the building blocks they need to produce hormones, to support our libido, and to keep us going all day long? The reality is, most of us are not getting enough of these essential nutrients. We're relying on processed foods, fast foods, and convenience foods that are stripped of their nutritional value. And as a result, our sexual health is suffering. We're not performing at our best, we're not feeling our best, and we're not living the lives we want to live. But it doesn't have to be this way. By making a few simple changes to our diets, we can start to see real results, and that's where chia seeds come in. Chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber. They're a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need to function properly. And they're incredibly versatile. You can add them to your oatmeal, your smoothies, or even use them as an egg substitute in baked goods. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are undeniable. One of the main benefits of chia seeds is their high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fatty acids are crucial for our brain function, our heart health, and our hormone production. They help to reduce inflammation, improve our mood, and even support our bone health. And when it comes to sexual health, omega-3s play a critical role. They help to improve blood flow, reduce anxiety, and even support our libido. In addition to their omega-3s, chia seeds are also packed with antioxidants. These powerful compounds help to reduce oxidative stress, improve our immune function, and even support our skin health. And when it comes to sexual health, antioxidants are essential. They help to reduce inflammation, improve our overall vitality, and even support our hormone balance. Chia seeds are also an excellent source of fiber. Fiber is essential for our digestive health, and it plays a critical role in our overall well-being. It helps to regulate our blood sugar levels, improve our bowel function, and even support our immune system. And when it comes to sexual health, fiber is essential. It helps to improve our energy levels, reduce our stress, and even support our hormone balance. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you can start to see real results. You'll have more energy, you'll feel more confident, and you'll be performing at your best. You'll be supporting your overall vitality, improving your blood flow, and even enhancing your hormone balance. And the best part? Chia seeds are incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. You can add them to your oatmeal, your smoothies, or even use them as an egg substitute in baked goods. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are undeniable. So what are the key takeaways from today's video? Chia seeds are a powerful ingredient that can support our sexual health. They're packed with omega-3s, antioxidants, and fiber, making them an excellent addition to our diets. By incorporating chia seeds into our daily routines, we can start to see real results: more energy, improved confidence, and even enhanced hormone balance. Thanks for watching, and if you do decide to try chia seeds, please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences, and don't forget to check out my next video on nutrition tips for enhancing wellness.